Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video on DIS. Disney had earnings last night, and I'm looking to short the stock once the market opens this morning. As you can see, Disney had earnings. Stock ran up, pulled in hard, gave a little bounce, and just messed around. This is all last night after the news. This morning, the market is gapping down. However, Disney is opening below yesterday's close. So I'm going to be looking to fade it. If it runs up and it does not take out this area, I'm going to look to short the stock right under near this red line. This is my short area. And then my first quick target is going to be here, the break of yesterday's low, and then I'll just trail it out and see where it takes me. So this is my review on Disney and why I'm going to be looking to short the stock after the earnings.